Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of the very popular soup in Bali called Soto Babi. It's a clear pork soup, and later I'm going to serve with the rice noodle. It's one of the really yummy soup and one of the comforting food. So let's get started. So here I have 1 kilogram of pork that I cut into small pieces including the bone. And here are all the rest of the ingredients I'm going to use later. Shallot, garlic, galangal, ginger, salam leaf, star anise, black peppercorn, white peppercorn, nutmeg, spring onion, lemongrass, chilies, garlic, rice noodle, daikon, some oil, chicken boyong powder, mushroom boyong powder, salt, and some fresh water. So let's make it. First, I'm going to slice the shallot and garlic. So I slice it not too thin this time. Next, turn on the pan, add the vegetable oil, add the shallot, add the garlic, stir it and cook it until halfway cooked. Now add the pork. I cook until the pork has a slightly color. So the pork is slightly colored a little bit. So look at this. Then now we're going to add some fresh water. Then I add some salam leaves, star anise, spring onion, which is I will fold it first. I also add some lemongrass, galangal, and ginger, but I crush them first. Black and white pepper, grind them a little bit. Grated nutmeg, and some sea salt. Let's cover the lid Bring to the boil, then after that reduce the heat and simmer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Now let's prepare the radish or daikon. I like to add daikon or radish into the soto babi. It just makes the taste even more perfect. I slice it into not too thin and not too thick pieces. Let's put it aside. So now the soup is reached the boiling point. I'm going to reduce the heat into low to medium. And simmer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. See you then! So it's been 1 hour and 45 minutes, so have a look. Ooh, smells so good. Now I'm going to add daikon or radish. Put the heat into high and let it boil first. So it's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some salt. Mushroom boyong powder. Chicken boyong powder. And we cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Now the soto babi is ready. Smell really yummy. Look at this. I'm going to turn off the cooker and then put it aside because I'm going to prepare the chili sambal as a condiment. The chili sambal I made today is a very simple. So here I have some water. I just turn on the cooker and I add the chilies and garlic, which is here I'm using Bali hot pepper. Boil it for 3 minutes or until the garlic and chili soft enough to blend. So the chili and garlic is soft enough. Now let's blend it. I add a little bit of the soup. Around 4 tablespoons. Blend it until smooth. Let's put it aside. So now everything is prepared. Let's plate the soto babi. And here I have fresh tomato. This is optional. You can add it or you can skip it. And here is the Asian celery or celery. I'm going to cut it into small pieces first. And for the tomato, I cut it into small pieces. First, I'm going to add the rice noodle into the bowl. Then add the tomato. And now let's add the pork soup. I have to say my mouth start watering. It's so yummy. Add a fresh shallot, celery, chili sambal, and little star anise as a garnish. So here we are, Soto Babi. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home. And we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, please kindly contact me via my email, novibalikitchen@gmail.com. I also put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur Suksma. Bye-bye.